Thank you very much, Madam Chair, and a pleasant good evening to our Honorable Vice President. Yeah, Ma'am, you have actually commendable programs, the Medical Assistance Program, Educational Assistance, Burial Assistance, Magnegosyo Taday, but I believe it's a nationwide coverage. So, may we know how our constituents can apply for this program?
Madam Chair, I will forgo the opportunity to defend the Office of the Vice President 2025 budget proposal by question and answer, and I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the proposal as presented.
So, Madam Chair, if the Honorable Vice President will agree, meron po ba tayong mga areas kung saan pwedeng mag-apply? Let's say, if we are from the Visayas, where can our constituents apply for this kind of program, and the possibility of having the requirements to apply for such as